All right, we are live.
10 minutes. Hello, everybody. Facebook Live.
Not even hot in here.
It's so hot. Old school baking here. No air conditioning in the old shop, the original shop. So we're here with Nick, and Rob, and Tony, and Noel, and Anna, and we're going to show you the whole Termini tradition, one of our most beloved traditions of making our Termini Brothers cupcakes. Now this tradition goes back 100 and some years. Old people that come in, young people that come in, it's like an immediate, they have to have a cupcake. And it's the same cupcake, same batter and everything. So, I just made a lot of noise, I'm sorry. Right, but did I miss anything with that?
Grandpa.
Well, he used to give them away? He used to give them away to everybody. My father used to go crazy. Right, Vincent?
Yeah, and turned into a tradition. Now, even today, 30 years after my grandfather passed, people come in and they want that cupcake. And here at this original location, we still make sure all the kids get a free cupcake. And that's pretty much in honor of my grandfather. And it's something that will always continue. And a lot of our customers, they treasure that.
100%. Whether they're 90 or not, they treasure it. All right, so here we go. Speaking of treasures, here's Rob. Rob is a Termini treasure. How long have you been with us?
45 years.
45 beautiful, wonderful, loving years with Rob. All right?
That's right.
I was 1 year old when Rob started.
You have to throw that in there.
I was sorry, Rob.
So Rob's just finishing up the mix here. Mark, you get that close up and see it real good. There's no lumps. Very
Nice and smooth.
carefully mixed, nice and smooth, because if there are any lumps in it, it'll come out in the cupcake. When you make them for 45 years, you know exactly what it should look like.
Exactly.
All right, so now we're going to take the paddle off with the batter. I'm going to help Rob here put this on the cart. The doctor's going to love that one right there.
Yeah.
All right, Rob, tell us what you're going to do here.
So right now we're just going to just place the paddle aside for a second. And we're going to use our trusty ice cream scooper, which is today it's a cupcake scooper. And we're going to put a nice level scoop. Pop them in.
How many cupcakes do you think you can make with all that batter?
All this batter is, let's see. Oh,
18 times 24.
18 times 24, not too.
Come on, Rob, you mathematician. Let's go.
Maybe 400.
Rob math.
Rob, now, about 400 and some cupcakes there. Off the top of my head.
Nick's setting up the cups here. And what happens here is after Rob's finished cupping the entire rack, or filling the entire rack, they'll go into the oven and they'll bake. What are we baking at, Nick, Rob?
Yeah, 35 minutes at 370.
35 minutes at 370.
And they're exactly done at that point.
Well, it's not a very technical job here, but in keeping with the tradition, it's a very labor-intensive job, which is
Rob's the fastest scooper around.
Now, what Nick is going to do, this is after the cupcakes come out, and this is what they look like after they come out of the oven. Very simple. And Nick's responsibility today is to fill buttercream inside of each one of these. Now, this is something that's relatively new to us.
We say new, it's like 15 years old.
Yeah.
That's new?
That's new. 15 years is new for us.
15 years ago, I was 10.
My brother, one time he had a cupcake, and he said, you know what would be awesome?
That's what you're gonna get when you open it up.
Yeah.
It's like
My
a
brother
treat
had
inside
said
a treat.
it would be awesome to have the buttercream inside of the cupcake as well. And we looked at each other and we said, all right, well, why not? Let's do it. And it's just become such a hit. People just love having that little bit of extra sweetness. So this is Nick's at the very end. I had to stop him to do the Facebook Live. Nick filled all these so far. 5 minutes. Yep. Now, from this stage, they come over to this bench, and Noelle here, what she's doing, this is one of our favorite techniques. Very primitive, but very effective. What she does is she puts the right amount of buttercream on each one of these cupcakes. And after this is finished, the second team, which is my brother and I, this is one of the jobs that we did when we were 10, and we're still doing it today, is that we'll just dip them in the jimmies. And trust me when I tell you, there is a technique to this. I'm much faster than my brother. I'm also much better than my brother at this job. But it's funny because when we were kids, even today, we race each other. You know, it's like a competitive thing that we have with each other, right?
Yeah. I mean,
But it's cool. You can tell everybody
I
I'm
think
the
it's been
best.
about like maybe 5 or 6 years that we have not participated in the 4th of July cupcake event on the 4th of July at the Visitors Center in Old City. But we used to, and when we did it, we did like, how many cupcakes was it?
It was like
Thousands and thousands of cupcakes.
1776 it was.
Yeah, it was like, and we also gave them out. But we put them all along these benches and made them wave all along the benches. It looked really cool. And then when we were all done, we had a big 5-tier birthday cake. And Betsy Ross and Ben Franklin came and we would sing happy birthday and cut the cake, and then we would give all the cupcakes out to everybody. It was just a little gift from Termini Brothers because we always remembered how much my grandfather loved this country. He used to, every day at 12 o'clock, he used to make sure that the radio was on, playing God Bless America. He'd turn the volume up. And we never forgot how much my grandfather loved this country, being an immigrant, and what this country gave him. And in turn, look, 103 years later, 103?
Yes.
1921.
104 years later, we're still honoring, you know, what this country did for him. So 4th of July is special to us.
I'm just thinking next year is going to be something big. We're going to have to figure something out. 250 is going to be 250th year.
Yeah.
We're going to have to do something. We're going to do it.
So Nick. Nick, you love it.
Come on, Nick. Get
Nick, tell the camera how much you love it.
my favorite holiday. Nick, this is not a suitable job for you. Come over here. Come on. Let me show everybody how much better I am at this than you.
I'm going to start working on this thing here.
All right. Oh, by the way, this is Anna. Sorry, this is Anna, and we ship these all over the country, and we ship them in kits. So what you're seeing here, Anna started packing these for a couple customers. These are going out today, and I told Anna to stop so she can come and kind of show you guys what it is that we do here. So this is the cupcake kit, and this is going to be the one that's going to be we're going to be promoting for 4th of July. Starting this weekend, Mara? Is that
Yep.
right? Starting this weekend. There's going to be free shipping on this cupcake kit package. And it comes with your red, white, and blue jimmies. It comes with your bags of icing.
Some people call these sprinkles.
No, they're
Some
jimmies.
people call these
Jimmies.
shots. Really, they call them shots.
Let's go with any of those.
But in Philadelphia, these are jimmies.
Nick, why are you bringing that up?
Jimmy, man.
They're jimmies. They're
Jimmies.
They're jimmies. Then we have the hat. It also comes with the hat. This is in honor of my grandfather as well. Anna loves that. She wears it all the time. Right? Perfect. Nick, you need a hat too. Put a hat on Nick. Put a hat on Nick. See?
A hat on a hat.
There you go. Now we're all set. Okay, so yeah, go ahead. Show them how you pack it. How many you have? You have 3 more packages? Go.
Yes. Okay. Give me back.
Why don't we wear it in hat anymore? We should wear it in hat. Like that. It's so light. I can wear it every day.
forget the handle. So this is the way that we ship the cupcakes back of biting.
Ah.
Don't forget the
Perfect. And this is the perfect gift for kids for the 4th of July. And yeah,
the kids and adults can make
Uh-huh.
their own cupcakes.
absolutely. Thank you, Anna. Look at
This
those.
is a finished pan. And it's funny story about this cupcake kit. This was an idea from my wife because my kids were going bananas at home. She said, "I need you to take something home for them to do because I'm about to go bad." So
That's
I
where
took,
pandemic.
probably one of the positive memories of the pandemic. Anyway, we took home some cupcakes and they had so much fun with it that we said we got to do this for all the moms out there, especially during the summer that need a little something to kind of take the edge off. So you're welcome for that, moms.
And the best part about these cupcakes is that we make them so often and they're very fresh and they're very moist and creamy and the buttercream adds to it. And I'm only talking to the people who never had our cupcake because the people who had our cupcake, they already know this.
So that's it. That's the whole cupcake production. You know, Mario will pan around and show you the different stations one more time. Rob's still doing his thing. We're gonna load
Let them go.
and Nick's gonna throw them in the oven real fast. Get some in there, kind of show you how we're doing this. We're gonna continue to decorate these couple of racks.
Be careful, that's very hot.
Oh, wow, look at that. So this is in there for 35 minutes?
35 minutes.
Wow. All right, one last time, watching you guys decorate. And these will be in stores starting today, right?
No, these will
Tomorrow?
be in stores starting on Monday.
On Monday.
We just wanted to kind of show you these. Until Monday, we have our regular Termini Brothers traditional colors.
Awesome.
But it's the same cupcake, just different colors.
Correct.
Okay.
But the American cupcake kits, the 4th of July cupcake kits are available. And for all of you who follow us on Facebook and Instagram, you will see this week's promotion, which is free standard shipping on all 4th of July cupcake kits.
Awesome. Cool.
We hope you had enjoyed it. It wasn't as action-packed as Termini, but you can see that we're still having fun because we love working here, especially in the heat without the fans on. And that's it. So have a good weekend, everybody. From all of us to you, have a great weekend. We hope to see you in the next couple of weeks.